Hello everyone, this is CrownCAD. Today, we will take the surveillance camera as an example to show you how CrownCAD can quickly and accurately complete the design. After completing the design, you can instantly generate an exploded view to see the assembly steps. This process can even be animated for clear demonstration of both explosion and de-explosion, and the animation can be saved locally for later use. Now, let's move into assembly. We can retrieve standard parts from the project directory or the standard parts library and secure the camera connection points. During assembly, we can perform quick assembly by selecting mating surfaces. If any parts are hidden, they can be temporarily hidden. You can also use the traditional mate command for assembly. Install another standard part, adjust its installation orientation, and mate it with other surfaces. We can test and adjust the camera's monitoring orientation. At this point, if we need to make design changes to any of the components, we can directly select and open the corresponding part from the assembly. Let's take the connecting rod as an example. First, apply a material to it. CrownCAD comes with a comprehensive built-in material library, which includes detailed information such as density, yield strength, and damping coefficient. We can select and adjust materials according to the design requirements. Once the material is assigned, the part's appearance will update accordingly to reflect the chosen material. Returning to the main assembly from the project, we will notice an update notification. Click it to complete the product iteration. Next, open the associated drawing from within the assembly. In the drawing, use the auto dimension function to quickly apply dimensions. After making adjustments to the dimensions, you can proportionally scale the view up or down, and then the drawing is ready to be issued. Start your project today at www.crowncad.com.